In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to utilize ChatGPT to create a comprehensive plan for repairing your credit. Whether you're just starting out on your credit journey or need a little push to get back on track, this step-by-step guide is designed just for you. Let's dive right in. First things first, we'll need to open ChatGPT. To do this, head over to chatopenai.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in with your credentials. This will bring you to the ChatGPT interface, where all the magic happens. Now, with the power of AI at your fingertips, you'll be able to ask for resources and guidance tailored to your specific needs. Next, you'll want to ask ChatGPT for a credit repair plan. Start by typing a request such as, "Create a step-by-step credit repair plan for someone with bad credit, including debt repayment, dispute letters, and budgeting tips." This will kickstart the process where ChatGPT will generate a personalized plan outlining how you might strategically address your credit issues. The plan will include steps like debt repayment strategies, guidance on crafting dispute letters, and valuable budgeting tips. Once you have a general plan, the next step is to focus on dispute letters, particularly if you have inaccuracies on your credit report. Ask ChatGPT to generate dispute letter templates. For instance, you can request, "Write a professional dispute letter to a credit bureau about an incorrect late payment on my credit report." These templates will provide you with a solid foundation for crafting your own correspondence, making sure that your communication is clear and effective. With your dispute letters ready, it's important to educate yourself on budgeting and debt strategies. To do this, ask ChatGPT to provide some effective budgeting methods. You might say, "Give me 5 budgeting methods to help me pay off debt faster while still covering living expenses." This will not only help you manage your current financial situation, but also lead to a more sustainable financial future. By adopting these methods, you can efficiently allocate your income towards reducing debt while ensuring your daily needs are met. In addition to dispute strategies and budgeting, enhancing your understanding of credit-building techniques is crucial. Request ChatGPT to list credit-building tips by simply asking, "List 10 easy ways to build credit," like secured credit cards, paying on time, or credit builder loans. This will provide you with straightforward strategies to boost your credit score effectively. Finally, make sure to save and use the results you've gathered. Copy the helpful letters, tips, or plans that ChatGPT has provided, and paste them into Word or Google Docs for easy access and future reference. This will enable you to maintain a well-organized approach as you work through implementing these strategies. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're well on your way to improving your credit score and gaining greater control over your financial well-being. Thank you for joining me in this guide, and remember, consistency and informed choices are key to financial success.